Hi everybody, it's Miranda here doing life, and today in my life I have a Trendsend box. If you want to know what's in it, stick around. Honest, I started to film this box the other day, and so one of the little bundles is open and I already peeked at it, but it started storming and I couldn't finish filming it because it was too loud. But if you don't know, Trendsend is a $20 a month styling fee, and you actually get the box sent to you from a store called Eve. If you have one near you, you can pick to have your items sent from that store, and so that's kind of nice. And I believe you can even take your box back to the Eve store or mail it, and if there's anything on sale they will give you the sale price, so always check that. And I have pinned things and they have sent them to me, so it is really one of my favorite boxes. I will be honest, I don't know if anything is gonna fit. I have gained weight. Like, I'm the only one in my house right now that is low carb, and I have not been doing so well. So I need to get back on the low carb bandwagon because I'm just not feeling myself lately, and I'm a little nervous that nothing in here is gonna fit. Just being honest. Okay, so the first bundle that I had tried to film before had these cute shorts in them. They are snake print. They're by Cut From The Cloth, and they're a high-rise Gidget short. I think these might fit because I did kind of up my size a little bit the last time. So these are 14. They have a raw hem there, if you can see that. And they're kind of lightweight. They're not real heavy, so that's nice. And the item that was in there with them is a tank. Oops. So this is the little tank. It's like a burnt orange color, and it says love, love, love on it. It's made by Spiritual Gangster, and it's an extra large. So maybe I did get my sizes upped for this box in time. All right. You do get, this is the prepaid mailer. You just put it back in your mailbox or send it back to the post office, and you don't have to worry about paying for shipping either way. The next item that I'm going to pull out, this is the bundle. So that one looks a little bit darker. It says tap into style tips, so it's got a little sticker on there that says that. Let's see what this is. Okay, so this is a long sleeve tie-dye. I love tie-dye just like anybody else. It's so cool and just gives you like that little funky vibe. But it is long sleeve and no cuff or anything, it's just a straight arm. This is by Bobby, and what size is it? An extra large. So there's that. And then what is this? This looks interesting. Another tank. I do really like tanks. I wear them a lot. My husband and I, well, my husband, he drives motorcycles. I ride on the back. And it is hot here in Tennessee, so very muggy as well. And I have been loving wearing tanks on the bike because I don't get so hot. So that looks nice. It's gray and it's got like these twists here. I really like that. That is so cool. And then on the back, it's got like this little detail here, a little dark there. And it is by LA Made. What is this? Okay, so these are pants. They're like, I don't know what these are. They are very wide-legged, And does the slit go all the way up? I don't know. Those are quite interesting. Let's see, what size are they? They're by Peyton Jensen and they're size extra large. I'll have to see about those. I don't really know how I feel about those, to be honest. Okay, and then I have one more bundle, and this is it. This one says Discover Style Hacks. And let's see here what we've got. Oh, a kimono. So we've got a leopard print or cheetah print. I think this is cheetah print kimono. It is by Lula. And I'm not sure, it might be like a one size fits all. I don't want to look at the tag yet until later because it has the price tag on it. Then we have another tank. So she sent me a lot of tanks, which is nice. And this one's black. And it's by Peyton Jensen as well, and it's a size extra large. And then I have another pair of jeans. These are size 14. They're the high-rise Mia Skinny by Cut From The Cloth. And they have the raw hem on the bottom. So that's what they look like. All right, let's go get on with the try on. The first outfit that I put on is the rust-colored Love tank. I don't really know that it's my color. Like, I'm not sure how I feel about it. Here's the back of it. And then I definitely don't think I would wear them with these shorts. It's not something that is my style, but they are comfortable. They're quite soft. So the material is nice. The Love Rust Muscle Tank is $48 and the shorts in snake print are $69. So I'll give you, I didn't have, if I have a strapless bra with me unpacked, I don't know where it is, so but this is what they look like. I'll stand back a little bit more. Let me know what you guys think of this outfit, but I don't really think that it is me personally, so I'm gonna move on to the next item. The thing I put on is they are calling it leopard, so I guess it is a leopard. They're calling it a wrap. It is $24.99. The Parker tunic tank is $38 and the Cora cropped pants are $74. So this is, I'll have to probably bend you down a little because I probably can't get back far enough, but this is what the little wrap looks like. It splits all the way up here. I don't really care for it. I feel like it's not really flattering on me. I almost feel like it's a little big. So there's the back of it if you want to order this for yourself. Then we have the tank. I do actually like the tunic tank. I think it's cute. And I'm not sure about the pants, to be honest. I really don't know how to feel about them. I'm gonna bend you down. Just don't look at the box. And let you see. These are what they look like. How do you guys feel about these? And they do, I mean, they would never come open enough, but they are open all the way. So there's my leg. So let me know what you guys think about these pants for some little church pants or going out. I don't really know, like I said, how to feel about them, but they're very comfortable. The has a nice waistband. They're actually a little big. A white stomach there. And this tank is super, super silky soft. Like butter, as they say. So they're nice and they're flowy, and I just don't know how I feel about them. So I need your opinion about these pants. All right, I'm gonna go on to the next outfit. I put on the Mila cut from the cloth jeans. They're a size 14. They are way too long. I had to cuff them twice, and they are, let me see, high rise Mia skinnies, and they're $89. Where is my top? Oh, the Piper tie-dye long sleeve top is $64. Whew, that is pricey. I think for just a let me put you back up here. I think that that's pricey for a just basic long sleeve top. I feel like I can get the same thing from like Bad Habit Boutique or something like that, that is just as soft and nice for cheaper. Here's the back of it. The jeans do fit really good in the waist, which I need to knock that down a couple of notches because I wasn't a 12 or a 10. So I need to eat more salad. But this outfit I think is gonna go back as well, just because I think it's a little pricey for the top. Although I mean, it's nice, it's soft. It's got these little cutouts here, as you can see on the side. You can front tuck it in a little bit, but I think it's a little much for what it is. You're paying for the brand, I understand that. And then the jeans are, I mean, if I bend you down one more time, you'll be able to see they're super long. Like, do you see how much they're bunching up in the knees? Like, you can't even see that they're distressed here a little bit. And way down there at my ankle. So this one is a no as well. I have one more tank that I'm gonna put on, and I'm just gonna throw them on with these jeans. This is the last tank. This is the Neenah braided tank, and it's a size large, $58. So you can see the cutouts and the braids. I'll turn my lights down a little. Sorry, you can see my bra through it, but there's the braided detail with the little laser cuts. It fits really nice, and it's super comfy. Do I want to pay $58 for this tank? If it's the only thing I keep, maybe that wouldn't be too bad. I do get my $20 styling fee back, so I would be paying $38. But let me know what you guys think of this one. It's super cute. All right, I'm gonna put my clothes back on, and then we'll do a recap really quick. I'm back. So let's decide what I might keep and what I know that I'm sending back. I did notice that this little wrap kimono in the animal print, it is a one size fits all. It's $24.99. It was originally $58. So as you can maybe see on the tag, they do send you little sale items, so that's always nice. But I just felt like it was a little big for me, so I'm not going to keep that. The jeans, they're a nice pair of jeans. I do love cut from the cloth, but they are just way too long on me. I need like an ankle skinny or a petite, so those are going to go back as well. This top, let me know what you guys thought of the tie-dye. I do think it is really cute and the material is nice, but I don't know if it's $64 nice, so That one's probably going back. These were a wild card. I just don't know how to feel about these. They're supposed to be a cropped pant. And so for me, they are not cropped. I'm too short for that, unless they are petite. So let me know what you guys think of these little wild card pants for $74. I'll go on to this one. These little shorts. I might actually try them on with like this black tank and see how I feel about them before I decide if I'm gonna keep them or not. So let me know what you guys thought of these ones. They are $69. Then the rust colored love tank. I don't think the color is me. But if you think it's in my color wheel, let me know. It does have a little bit of gold on there too. The two items that I do like the best, I did not, just give me a second, I guess, because I'm really bad about turning them right side in. Okay, is the little tunic tank for $38, great price. And I gotta sit, I was sitting on my feet. Is this one. I really like this one too. It's a little pricey for a tank, but it's so cute. So let me know if you liked this one. $58, $38. These are the two things that I think, or I am thinking about keeping the most. All right, I hope everybody has a lovely day. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I did hit 1,000, so I will be doing a 1,000 subscriber giveaway just as soon as I can get one together, and it's gonna be a good one, I promise. So if you haven't subscribed, please consider hitting the subscribe button, giving this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.